I would like to construct a 60-degree angle above PQ. To do this, what I'm going to do is open up my compass so that it's on the end of the line. So I have point of the compass on P and the pencil on Q. What I'm going to do now is draw an arc, and then leaving my compass just as open as it was, and I'm going to draw another arc. I'm now going to join where the arcs intersect to P. Using my ruler. And I've now drawn a 60-degree angle above PQ. I now want to construct a 30-degree angle. To do this, I'm going to construct a 60-degree angle and then bisect it. So I'm going to put my compass point on P, and I'm going to open up my compass, and I'm going to draw an arc, like that. I'm then going to keep my compass just as open as it was, move the compass point to the arc, and then draw another arc. So we now have a 60-degree angle here. If I just use a ruler to join up the arc and P, the angle that I formed is 60 degrees. Now what I can do is, what I can now do, if I want to draw a 30-degree angle, is just bisect this. So we should remember that from a previous video. So I'm going to get my compass, and I'm going to put it onto P, and we need to now draw an arc here, and then another arc on the other line, which makes up the 60-degree angle. So another one up here. Let me just move this out of the way. So another one up here. I'm now going to move the point of my compass to one of the arcs I just drew, draw another arc, and then move the point of the compass to the other arc that I drew earlier, and now draw another arc. Okay, they only just meet actually. It should be a bit closer, but that's okay, they do meet. Where those two arcs meet, I'm going to use my ruler to join up to P, and I've now bisected my 60-degree angle. So I'll just show you the 30-degree angle is here. This is a 30-degree angle. And you can check that if I just get a protractor. If we measure it, we can see it is exactly 30 degrees. Let's say I want to construct a 90-degree angle. To do this, I could just draw a perpendicular bisector. So if I have this line, if I do a perpendicular bisector of the line, I will automatically have a 90-degree angle. So I'm just going to open up my compass so that it's more than halfway along the line. I'm going to draw a large arc, leave my compass as open as it was, and I'm going to put the compass point on the other end of the line. I'm going to draw another large arc, and where the arcs meet, I'm going to get my ruler and join the two intersections, and we can see there that we've got the perpendicular bisector. So this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, I'd now like to construct a 45-degree angle. So what I'm going to do is draw a 90-degree angle and then bisect it. So firstly, I'm going to open up my compass to more than halfway. I'm going to draw an arc, compass point on the other side of the line, draw another arc. I'm going to use my ruler to draw 90 degrees to the line. So just through the arcs that I've drawn. I've now got a 90-degree angle. And if I want to form 45 degrees, I can bisect this line. So let me just get a bit smaller. So I'm going to put my compass point on the 90-degree angle. And I'm just going to do our normal bisecting procedure. So I'm going to draw an arc here. And another one up here. I'm now going to move my compass so that the point is on one of the arcs. I'm going to draw another arc and another arc here. And I'm now going to join up the 90-degree angle here with the intersection of the two arcs, and we've now drawn 45 degrees above the horizontal. So this is 45 degrees. Here are some questions for you to try. I'd like you to draw a 10 centimeter line on squared paper, label the ends X and Y, and construct the triangle XYZ by drawing a 90-degree and 45-degree angle. Once you've done that, you can measure ZY in order to check your answer. So pause the video now, have a go, and when you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. So for the answer, I'm going to measure what ZY ought to be. And if you can measure ZY and you get roughly the same answer, you can be sure that you're correct. ZY should be approximately 14.1 centimeters.